All right, folks, Thursday morning. Sun's shining, coffee's flowing. I'm ready to go, you're ready to go. It's another day. Here's what you need to know this Thursday. So yesterday, we had that first inflation test. Consumer price index came out, moderate, a little lower than expected, which alleviated some of these concerns that inflation's getting out of control. What did we see? We saw the dollar weaken on that news. We saw the stock market rally, saw treasury yields weaken. Why? Well, because now it's, again, starting to take some of that pressure off that the Fed may start tapering their bond buying program, that the Fed may raise interest rates sooner than expected. Today, we have our second inflation test. So today we have the producer price index, PPI, coming out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Traders, again, focused on that number. We also have initial jobless claims coming out this morning. Will we see continual improvements or continued improvements in the job market? So some more big economic numbers. We've got more Fed presidents talking today. So still a lot going on before we wrap up this week. What are we seeing as we head into the market open? Seeing stocks move higher, seeing that dollar move lower, seeing oil relatively flat, sitting at $68 a barrel in WTI. So not a lot of movement in the overnight session, but could get some more volatility after these economic numbers this morning. So, all right, folks, let's get in there. Let's trade it up. Let's have a good day. I'll talk to you again tomorrow.